Australia is the largest country in Oceania and the smallest continent in the world, sitting between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Known for its incredible diversity, Australia offers unique experiences from beautiful beaches and vibrant coral reefs to vast deserts and natural wonders. As one of the least densely populated countries, much of its population lives along the southeastern coastline. In this huge country, visitors can find some of the most stunning places to explore. Join World Travel Picks as we uncover the 12 must-visit destinations in Australia. Number 12, Adelaide. Adelaide, the cosmopolitan capital of South Australia, is a city that seamlessly blends natural beauty with urban charm. Known for its rolling hills, beaches, and world-famous wine regions, it offers a great mix of culture and outdoor experiences. The city is also home to historic architecture, botanical gardens, and museums. Adelaide serves as a gateway to Kangaroo Island, where visitors can encounter Australia's unique wildlife. Don't forget to check out Adelaide Zoo, where you can meet the adorable pandas. Number 11, Perth. Perth is the sun-soaked capital of Western Australia, renowned for its isolation and stunning natural setting. Situated along the Swan River and close to the Indian Ocean, Perth is perfect for outdoor adventures like sailing, swimming, and fishing. The city is famous for its warm climate, and its nearby beaches are among the best in Australia. Despite being one of the most isolated capital cities, Perth has a thriving arts and cultural scene. Its laid-back atmosphere and outdoor lifestyle make it a must-visit destination. Number 10, Byron Bay. Located on the far north coast of New South Wales, Byron Bay is a coastal town with a relaxed vibe. It's famous for its iconic Cape Byron lighthouse, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. The town is known for its beaches, perfect for surfing, kayaking, and scuba diving. Byron Bay also boasts a vibrant arts and culture scene, with plenty of cafes, boutique shops, and festivals throughout the year. It's a popular holiday spot that offers the ideal mix of relaxation and adventure. Number 9, the 12 Apostles. The 12 Apostles are a stunning natural wonder located along the Great Ocean Road in Victoria. These towering limestone stacks rise dramatically from the Southern Ocean, creating one of the most picturesque coastal scenes in Australia. Formed by erosion over millions of years, the Apostles offer a mesmerizing view, especially at sunrise and sunset, when the light casts a golden glow. Visitors can take scenic walks along the cliff tops, or enjoy a helicopter tour for a bird's-eye view of this iconic landmark. Number 8, Tasmania. Tasmania, an island state off Australia's southeast coast, is a destination known for its wild, rugged beauty. Almost half of Tasmania is protected as national parks and reserves, offering visitors pristine landscapes of rainforests, mountains, and beaches. The island is home to unique wildlife like the Tasmanian devil, and has a rich cultural heritage with colonial-era buildings. For outdoor enthusiasts, Tasmania offers incredible hiking trails, boat trips along the coast, and an array of wildlife encounters, making it a nature lover's paradise. Number 7. Brisbane. Brisbane, the capital of Queensland, is a vibrant city that enjoys sunny weather year-round. Situated along the Brisbane River, it offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from hiking in nearby national parks to exploring its bustling riverside precincts. Brisbane's proximity to both the Sunshine Coast and Gold Coast makes it an excellent base for beach lovers. Known for its thriving music scene and cultural events, Brisbane provides a great mix of entertainment, nature, and city life, making it a must-visit destination in Australia. Number 6. Blue Mountains. The Blue Mountains, located just outside Sydney, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its breathtaking landscapes. Covered in eucalyptus forests, the region is famous for its deep valleys, rugged cliffs, and the iconic Three Sisters rock formation. Visitors can hike through dense forests, discover waterfalls, and explore ancient Aboriginal sites. The Blue Mountains offer some of the most scenic lookout points in Australia, making it a favorite spot for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Number 5. Melbourne. Melbourne, the capital of Victoria, is often regarded as Australia's cultural capital. The city is famous for its lively art scene, street art, and multicultural food offerings. Melbourne's vibrant laneways are filled with quirky cafes, galleries, and boutiques, giving the city a unique charm. It's also known for its sporting events and festivals, attracting visitors from all over the world. Just a short drive away, you can explore the Yarra Valley wine region or take a scenic trip along the Great Ocean Road. Number 4. Whitehaven Beach. Whitehaven Beach, located on Whitsunday Island, is often considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. With its crystal-clear turquoise waters and pure white silica sand, this beach is a true paradise. Accessible only by boat or seaplane, Whitehaven Beach offers a peaceful escape from the crowds. Visitors can enjoy snorkeling, swimming, or simply relaxing on the beach while soaking in the stunning scenery. Its untouched beauty and calm atmosphere make it a dream destination for anyone visiting Queensland. Number 3. Uluru. Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is one of Australia's most iconic landmarks, located in the heart of the Northern Territory's Red Centre. This massive sandstone monolith is deeply sacred to the local Anangu Aboriginal people and holds significant cultural importance. Uluru's rich red color changes throughout the day, offering a magical experience at sunrise and sunset. Visitors can explore the area by walking or biking around the base, learning about the ancient rock art and Aboriginal legends that surround this mystical place. Number 2. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the coast of Queensland. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to an incredible array of marine life, including vibrant coral gardens, tropical fish, and sea turtles. Snorkeling and scuba diving in the reef offer a once-in-a-lifetime experience, allowing visitors to explore this underwater wonder. For those who prefer to stay dry, glass-bottom boat tours and scenic flights provide spectacular views of the reef's beauty. Number 1. Sydney. Sydney, Australia's largest and most iconic city, is famous for its beautiful harbour, world-class beaches, and vibrant city life. The Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge are must-see landmarks, while the nearby Bondi Beach offers excellent swimming and surfing opportunities. Sydney also boasts a rich cultural scene, with galleries, theatres, and museums scattered throughout the city. Whether you're exploring the historic Rocks District or enjoying a coastal walk, Sydney's blend of natural beauty and urban excitement makes it the top destination in Australia. Let me know if you'd like to make any further adjustments. For more travel inspiration and detailed guides, visit worldtravelpics.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest for the latest updates. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures around the world. Happy travels!